The story of medicine spans from ancient herbal remedies to today's cutting-edge pharmaceuticals, all driven by our unending pursuit of health and well-being. In the lively city of Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India, a remarkable tale unfolds. The story of VS Healthcare and VS Medical Store. As an authorized pharmaceutical distributor and wholesaler, we have made our mark by representing top pharmaceutical companies. Since 2004, VS Healthcare's journey has been defined by unwavering commitment to quality, exemplified by our valid drug license issued by the Government of India under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act 1940. Our import-export code from Ministry of Commerce, Government of India. Over the years, we have mastered the art of delivering top-notch customer service, focusing on quality and cost. VS Healthcare takes pride in customer-oriented approach, placing immense value on timely supply of superior medicines at competitive rates. Our dynamic and efficient team ensures that everything runs smoothly from start to end. The advanced storage setup with special cooling to preserving medicines in perfect condition. Driving the legacy of VS Healthcare forward are Mehul Gandhi and Abhishek Gandhi, sons of Dr. Anil Gandhi, the visionary behind this venture. With a cumulative experience of over 57 years, their leadership has been pivotal in shaping the company's success. Mehul Gandhi contributes with his 32 years of experience in the medical wholesale and retail sector. He holds qualifications in D.Pharm, BSc Microbiology and DMLT Pathology, making him well-versed in the field. Abhishek Gandhi is another valuable asset to the team, with an impressive 25 years of expertise in the healthcare industry. Together, their leadership ensures that VS Healthcare continues to stand out as a beacon of healthcare excellence. Here at VS Healthcare, we have a big goal. Our mission isn't just about running a business, it's about providing top-notch products at prices that everyone can afford. We also want to stay up to date with all the latest developments in healthcare. Quality is at the core of our philosophy here at VS Healthcare. We are deeply committed to providing products of the absolute best quality because we understand the trust you put in us. At VS Healthcare, we cover a wide range of medical areas to meet important healthcare needs. We offer a comprehensive range of medicines for HIV, heart-related issues, cancer, heart, liver, lungs, kidney transplant and dialysis, blood-related issues, nerve-related challenges, gynecology, antifungal and imported medicines for specific healthcare needs. VS Healthcare's foundation is its expert team. From skilled pharmacists managing inventory to customer service ensuring seamless operation, each member plays a vital role. Their collective commitment fuels VS Healthcare's mission to illuminate lives through healthcare excellence. VS Healthcare and VS Medical Store journey continues, marked by our commitment to innovation, efficiency, and excellence. Our headquarters, nestled in the heart of Ahmedabad, stand as beacon of hope, health, and healing. As we march forward, we remain dedicated to our mission to illuminate the path of healthcare excellence and touch lives across the globe.